Hello and welcome to Markets. We are Deven Choksey, the daily market podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. This morning, as we see, the GIFT Nifty is trading lower, indicating a gap down start for the Indian markets. GIFT Nifty is 100 points lower versus Nifty futures on Tuesday close. The US futures did trade lower after cash market did slip on Tuesday. The Asian markets have opened up lower and Nikkei and Kospi are falling around 1% each. The US market did end lower for second straight session. Key indices were down around 1% each. Particularly if we see stock specific, Tesla did fall around 5% after reporting below estimate Q1 delivery numbers. The US 10-year yield did hit highest level in 5 months on rate cut possibility in June at 4.35%. The crude prices are at 5-month high amid shrinking US inventories. The Brent is trading at $89 a barrel at present. And gold prices are rising, where dollar index did fall below 105 mark. So all in all, this is how the cues for the global market looks like, a little bit on the downside as we see in the global sentiments. Let us now take a look at the trade setup for today. As we see, the market has consolidated after 3-day gains and closed moderately lower on the 2nd of April. The consolidation is likely to continue in the coming days too, especially ahead of the RBI policy meeting, with the Nifty 50 likely taking support at 22,300 to 22,200 levels in the coming days. If we clearly see on the higher side, 22,500 is expected to be the key hurdle for the index, as breaking of the same may take the index towards 22,700 to 23,000. On the 2nd of April, the Sensex was down around 111 points to close at 73,904, while the Nifty 50 fell 9 points to close at 22,453 and formed a small bearish candlestick pattern with upper and lower shadows. Also we see there's no negative signs as of now, as the short-term uptrend remains intact. It is just that the Monday's record high is around the previous high of 22,525, and there has been open interest addition since in the 22,500 call option. Thus, the index consolidated for the day and it could trade within a range for 1 or 2 sessions. On dips, as we see, 22,300 would be seen as the immediate support, while a move above 22,530 could lead to a continuation of the up move towards 22,700 to 22,750. Hence, traders are advised to trade with a positive bias and look for stock-specific buying opportunities. The momentum also remains positive as indicated by the RSI, which is Relative Strength Index, in bullish crossover. The volatility hit a fresh 2024's closing low, giving more support to the bulls. The India VIX, the fear index, dropped 3.56% to 11.65, the lowest level since November 24, 2023. The broader markets outperformed benchmark indices and extended upward journey for yet another session. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and Small-Cap 100 indices gained 1.2% each. Considering all of these, now we land at the key support and resistance levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty may face resistance at 22,488 levels, followed by 22,514 and 22,556. On the lower side, the index may take immediate support at 22,405 level, followed by 22,379 and 22,337. Talking about Bank Nifty, in the last trading session, Bank Nifty has also seen consolidation, closed at 47,545, down 33 points. The index has formed small-bodied bullish candlestick pattern with upper shadows on the daily charts. The banking index is likely to resume its up move towards 47,850 to 48,000 from a short-term perspective. So the minor degree pullbacks should be used as a buying opportunity. Bank Nifty index may see resistance at 47,668, followed by 47,738 and 47,853. On the lower side, it is expected to take support at 47,440, followed by 47,369 and 47,255. These are all the important support and resistance levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us now take a look at the stock-specific news. The stocks in news, first stock would be JSW Energy, as JSW Energy Group Company has received approval from the board of directors for raising of funds up to 5,000 crore by qualified institutions placement in one or more tranches. Biocon is another stock in focus as the subsidiary Biocon Biologics has completed the transfer of branded formulations business in India to Eris Life Sciences on a slump sale basis of 1,242 crore. Branded formulations business comprises of metabolics, oncology and critical care diagnostic. Keep an eye on HCL Technologies as the IT services company said HCL Investments UK, a steps down wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has completed the divestment of 49% equity stake in its joint venture with US-based State Street International Holdings. The subsidiary has received $172.5 million for divestment of joint venture and termination of agreement for related services. Keep an eye on MOIL as the manganese ore mining company has recorded best ever production of any financial year since inception at 17.56 lakh ton, growing sharply by 35% on a year-on-year basis. This is 29% higher than the previous best ever production of 13.64 lakh tons in FY08. ESAB Small Finance Bank will be in focus as the bank has operationalized the authorized dealer category 1 license with effect from 2nd of April. And last but not the least, keep an eye on SRM Contractors. The Jammu and Kashmir based EPC contractor will list its equity shares on the bourses on 3rd of April. The final issue price has been fixed at 210 rupees per share. So these are all the stocks in news. Let's take a look at the FIs and DIs data. The foreign institutional investors net sold shares worth rupees 1,623 crore, while the domestic institutional investors purchased shares worth rupees 1,953 crore on 2nd of April. All in all, basically this is how the trade setup for today's trading session looks like. One needs to consider that there are important events and at the same time there is some sort of volatility seen in the market in the past few months and particularly in the month of March. Considering that, we constantly keep on saying and advising to be cautious in the market at present. Nevertheless, whatever the market conditions be, we need to consider and we need to be, of course, understand that the research will be the backbone of research successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art that we understand. We at Deven Choksey have our exclusive research services which are powerful and successful. To avail our exclusive research services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and you're done. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. So don't wait any further and embark on a wealth building adventure together. Thank you and have a nice day.